Archbishop's Moment, sponsored by Uganda Christian University, a center of excellence in the heart of Africa. Join the UCU experience now.
The disciples, when they were totally disturbed, Jesus, they went to call Jesus. We are dying. We need you. We are here. We are dying. Listen to this. The storm is not Jesus' problem. The problem was the disciples. They had little faith. They were afraid. And Jesus spoke to the disciples first. Why do you fear? Where is your faith? Don't you know I'm here? Even though they were with Jesus and saw him doing many miracles, but they had lost hope. And Jesus rebuked them. The problem is not the storm. The problem, the people. All the things we go through is the human heart. All things we go through is human heart. The mindset and everything. Jesus spoke to the disciples and he raised their faith. Brothers and sisters, listen to this. Even when you are a believer, you will have storms. But let me tell you, that's not the end of it all. Jesus has the power to calm down the storms. Different types of storms. Storms in our families. Storms in our country. Storms in our economy. Storms of different types. Jesus is here to calm all those storms. And he's our God. Ask your neighbor, what type of storm are you facing?
Archbishop's Moment, sponsored by Uganda Christian University, a center of excellence in the heart of Africa. Join the UCU experience now.